Continuing on with multiplication of large numbers, only this time we're using the lattice method. Now, I've seen many of you throughout the classroom using this method, so you should be familiar with it. Again, I don't care which of the three methods you choose, as long as you get the right answer. That's all I really care about. So what the lattice method does is it just allows us to multiply two numbers together at a time. So here I'm multiplying through by 2. And on this row, I'm multiplying each of them by 5. So what is 5 times 2? 10. So you'll notice since I've got a double-digit number here, I've got to type each number in one half of the square. So 2 times 4 is 8. So I label that as 0, 8. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. So 0 and 4. Moving along, 2 times 3 is 6. So 0, 6. Now I'm just going to go back and double check just to make sure my multiplication is correct. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. All right, I'm good there. Now, down here, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20. So I put down the 2 there, and then my 0 goes there. 5 times 2 is 10. Put down my 1. 0 goes over here. Move it a little bit so we can read it a little bit better. All right, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Again, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to make sure that my multiplication is correct before I try to start adding. 15. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 7 is 25. Now, here's the part that could be most confusing. What do I add together? Now, I'm going to highlight things just to make it a little bit easier for you to understand what it is that you're multiplying, what we're multiplying together. So I'm going to multiply down each the diagonal. Down each diagonal, and then my answer is going to go in that highlighted box of the same color. Okay. So there's my work right there. So all of my answers, so 5 plus nothing is what? You guessed it, 5. Okay. So my 5 is going to go here. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. So my 2 is going to go here. 8 plus 1 plus 2 gives me 11. So now here is what I was hoping for. So I put down my 1. Okay, and then I'm going to carry my 1. I'm going to carry that other one up here. So I'm going to add it to that. So 1, so that's 1, 5, 6, 11. There's another 11. So I put down my 1. And I'm going to carry my 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 6 more is 7, 8. So there's 8. And then I'm finished. So now I have to rewrite it. So I've got 8, 1, 1, 2, 5. Now I'm going to go back, put my comma in the correct place. So my answer is 81,125. So that is multiplication of large numbers using the lattice strategy. Now again, I don't care what method you use as long as you get the right answer. If you like lattice, use it. If you don't like it, by golly, don't use it then.